education to foster overall growth and academic success. The 4 pillars of child wellness are: first one, physical health, proper nutrition, hydration, daily active play and adequate sleep, roughly 8 to 11 hours sleep. Emotional health, safe spaces to identify, express and regulate basic feelings without judgment. Third one, mental well-being, building cognitive focus, problem solving skills and resilience against academic pressure. Fourth one, social health, healthy peer interactions, empathy, kindness and building a sense of school belonging. Last, good health is the true foundation of great learning. The Social Wellness Club helps students,
principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to say about our wellness club. Healthy body, healthy mind, happy life. About the wellness club. The wellness club promotes healthy habits, positive thinking, emotional well-being and a balanced lifestyle among students. It encourages children to make healthy choices and develop habits that...
Dashwana is going to present about balanced diet. Okay, she brought some vegetables. She even as a healthy food and a unhealthy food as a junk food. Okay, she is going to present it. Now over to Dakshina.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. ఈరోజు వెల్నెస్ క్లబ్ తరపున సమతుల ఆహారం బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్ గురించి కొన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. సమతుల ఆహారం అంటే మన శరీరానికి అవసరమైన కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్, ప్రోటీన్లు, కొవ్వులు, విటమిన్లు, ఖనిజాలు, నీరు సరైన మోతాదులో ఉండే ఆహారం. మనం ప్రతిరోజు కూరగాయలు, ఆకుకూరలు, పండ్లు, పప్పులు, పాలు, ధాన్యాలు వంటి పోషకాహారాన్ని తీసుకోవాలి. ఎక్కువగా జంక్ ఫుడ్, ప్యాకెట్ ఫుడ్, చక్కెర ఎక్కువగా ఉన్న పానీయాలను ఆరోగ్యమైన ఆహారాన్ని ఎంచుకోవాలి. అందరం పోషకాహారం తిందాం, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఎదుగుదాం.
First chakra is root chakra, that means Mooladhara, which associates with security, stability and grounding. Helps us focus on feeling safe and connected to our surroundings. The next chakra is sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, associated with creativity, emotions and healthy relationships. Encourages us to understand and express our feelings. And the third chakra is solar plexus, that is Manipura, associated with confidence, motivation and determination. Encourages positive self-belief and taking responsibility. And the fourth chakra is heart chakra, that is Anahata, associated with love, kindness, compassion and gratitude. Encourages caring for ourselves and others. The next chakra is throat chakra, Vishuddha, associated with communication and self-expression. Reminds us to speak honestly and listen respectfully.
Wellness Club representatives for taking up these roles, because definitely they are going to bring some change in our what you call daily practices and all that, because you know health is the most important people are focusing on it very importantly, because health management has become very expensive. After education, health is given top priority, so everybody is focusing on it, even the governments everywhere. So we need to take care of our health, otherwise we are going to land in lot of troubles. Okay, so you might have some target or some like what aims in your mind and all that to achieve. Suppose if your body is not cooperating, if your mind is not cooperating, can we achieve it? Not at all possible. Okay, so we need to keep our health properly. So healthcare management is most important. You need to understand. Today, I am very much happy that the students have demonstrated the 7 chakras, the energy centers in our body. So how to manage them, how to see that energy flows in our body. Involve yourself in physical activities on regular basis. Otherwise, you find a lot of disabilities when you grow, or your body structure and all that may not be proper. So maintaining this personal hygiene and health is most important. So these are the areas where I believe this wellness club is focusing. Okay.